Hello guys, today we are going to create thumbnails using the Canva, and I'm going from this video I can share my knowledge and I can improve my communication skill. That's my goal. Okay, let's start. In, in my screen I have moved to Canva website, and this now we are going to create thumbnails, right? So we can go to YouTube thumbnail. It's a free version. You can for most of the templates if you want to use you can go for pro version, but can grow free as your wish. I am using now free version. Okay, I think what is the okay? Let's for the thumbnail what you can use any of the free templates. Okay, I'll look what okay. Everything is nice, but I can stick with for this video. I think this one is nice. Okay, we can edit this text now. Okay, we can replace this image. We can use any of the fonts from the text. Okay, I think I like this one. You can use any of the thing like okay, reduce. We can reduce its size further. It's not thumbnail. You can just copy paste this one. We can make it rotate these things. I think I can add another type of font also. I want to rotate these things that I'm trying to do now. Yeah, I think here they have provided. Okay, you can place any of the images here. Okay, most of the images are pro. I think there will be one of any of the free images that will coincide with our mind, so we can use it. Okay, I think which one we can use. I think we can use this image here. I just copy this image and move it to here. At least I think we can try these images also. No, it's shocking, but we need happy things. This one is okay, but I think we can go with this one also. Yeah, I think we can go with this image. Just copy it. Yeah, I think for me it's suitable. Okay, we can make it glue. I'll show you some of the methods we can do. Okay, in edit, go to edit. I'll show you some of the methods which can make your thumbnail look better. Instead of blur, I think we can go shadows. Yeah, we can go outline. choose the color to white and make its size little bit thin. Shall we try any of the blur? Okay, no blur. Can we use any of the settings now? Okay, I think this one is better. Okay, thank you guys. I think you gain some new things in new knowledge in this video. Please share, like, and subscribe, and comment out your feedback in this video. See you soon. Thank you.